every which way now.
Mm.
Oh, we should have duct taped the top.
The what?
The top. I didn't even think of that. It's cracking all down.
That's okay. You can still.
I hear it. I hear it.
Yeah, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
I'm too scared.
Diana!
Ah!
So much. Diana!
I heard it pop like it did last time. Look at the top.
I know. Yeah, what if it doesn't pop open like it does?
It's just cracking.
It's cracked so much. Do you see it?
Yeah.
It's dripping so much. Oh, that one's not a good one. I don't use it. This side's just pouring out liquids.
It's coming from the top.
Yeah.
What the heck? I can see the inside. Oh, lame. This better explode.
What if you guys have to go get the rubber band ball and get more rubber bands?
Then you're gonna go get it.
No way.
Oh my god! That's just the noise of that.
No, it's leaking out from me.
I know. Here, come on, come on.
What the heck? It's just cracking in the top. Is it good?
Yeah.
I don't want to put my head by it.
Had a slight taste of rubber band though.
Oh my gosh, the top is cracking so much.
I know. Diana!
I heard it!
You can't leave me!
You left me last time! It's just literally about to split.
Oh, it's splattered. It is. Okay.
Wait!
It's so weird.
Look, it's going!
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Do you not see it opening?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Come on. Get on more.
Look at all the stuff.
That was better. Look at that.
I'm gonna eat a piece.
Oh my god.
Hmm.